Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage language exchange with HelloTalk step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the HelloTalk app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create your account using your email address or social media login. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Choose a username that reflects your personality, and add a profile picture for better visibility. Next, specify the language you are fluent in and the language you wish to learn. This information will help match you with users who have similar interests. Explore the app's interface to familiarize yourself with its features. On the home screen, navigate to the Find Language Partners section. Here, you can filter potential partners by language, country, and interests. You will see a list of users who match your criteria. Click on a user's profile to learn more about their language skills and interests. If you find a good match, click the Add Friend button to send a request. Once your friend request is accepted, you can begin chatting with your partner. Use text, voice messages, and video calls to practice conversations in your target language. Remember to provide constructive feedback and corrections for each other. Take advantage of HelloTalk's translation and pronunciation features during conversations. Ensure to balance the time spent speaking in both languages to make the exchange fair. You can also join the community features, like public chats and moments, to practice further. Regularly engage with your language partner to maintain consistency. Set specific goals for each conversation, whether it's book. Keep track of your progress and adjust your learning strategies as needed. As you grow more comfortable, consider connecting with multiple language partners for diverse practice. Lastly, always keep an open mind and a positive attitude toward learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.